99 Chevy Tahoe. It's got the Vortec motor in it, V8. We just put two high flow catalytic converters on it, one there and one there. And then we did two glass packs, 18-inch, two tailpipe 2 1/4 into 3-inch tips. Double wall tips right there and right there. And there's the two glass packs right there. Let me go over and onto the side of the axle, out the back. One here, one here. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. That's a true dual with glass packs, 18-inch glass packs. And high flow caps. '99 Chevy Tahoe. True dual with glass packs. There she is. And that's how it's done.